Welcome to Kintampo Waterfalls! Woo! I love Ghana and I love this place. You gotta be here and have a feel of nature! Alright, welcome to Kintampo Waterfalls. It's my first time here actually. So we are actually moving towards the waterfall area. As you can see, Ghana is blessed with a lot of natural resources. The place is very calm and serene. I bet you if you've not been here before, make it a point to come to Kintampo Waterfalls and you enjoy the feel of nature. Wow. We are moving towards the waterfall. I'm sure you can hear the screeching sound of nature, of the waterfall. The place is full of a lot of reserve. You can see the ecosystem, the greening and the forestry. Everything is very nice, so simple and calm. If you want to enjoy nature, Kintampo Waterfall is the best place to be. All right, so we are almost at the waterfall. Just check the screeching sound of the water. The place is so serene and calm, so reserved. This is where nature meets humanity. Wow, wow. Just check behind me. That's the waterfall behind Kintampo Waterfall. This place is so nice, it's so beautiful. Just check it out, just check it out, just check it out. That's the nature, that's the water falling. Wow, I'm sure when you come here you have a lot of fun. The rocks are here for you to take your pictures. Let me just get down, let me get down. Wow. That's it. Kintampo Waterfall. If you've not been here before, make it a point to come and you enjoy the feel of nature. And then there are 3 waterfalls here. This is the first one that we are coming to. The second and the third one is also there. So just stay put and enjoy the sound of nature. Enjoy the sound of nature. Wow, I'm enjoying this. Okay.
First one is by Ben Santiago. But you say if you are down like 20 meters. More than if I do the Ebane to not say more. But first one is the second one. You are not main force. More than you can main force of the best steps. Steps you in and out. In your 1 sentence, 7 out in 1 5
steps.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, you experience a conjunct Black Volta over.
Okay.
A blue bone to the face, no hunter. But you did in Kumasi. Passing to your kind of work for and see any by 4 of the what was for your other charge your own.
Okay.
I will have to I dare you to her 80. Abia.
Tuesday.
I dare you see or her. I have been in one or bar on your amazing. Wait about it more. Okay.
Okay.
I had to say, you should stay.
spray.
Yeah, but if the one you can use be okay, then yeah,
Okay.
apart from that, you use spray.
Now then, yeah, use spray.
Bees or what?
Bees were.
If you're not Australian,
no more bound chain. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Okay. All right. So I just told us the history about Kintampo. So this is the first stage, which is here. It says that water sprouts in the large rock have been created by water eroding holes into the rock. The falls is backed by a cave. The water disappears under the rocks and reappears 20 meters downstream. The water flows throughout the year. The water flows throughout the year. The volume of the water increases with more visitors present. Wow. Please do not swim or bath here. Keep surroundings clean. Okay, so that's the first stage of the waterfall. And currently we are going towards the second stage as well. The place is so nice. History, I learned if you are a woman and you are on your monthly period, you don't enter into the water. And also if you are wearing a strong spray, you are not allowed towards the water area because there are bees here too as well. So you have to be careful when you are coming here. All right, so join us and let's go to the other side as well. All right, so we are walking towards the second stage. As you can see, the water is also flowing downstream. I don't know if you can see it clearly. Yeah, you can. Yeah, the water is flowing downstream. We are walking towards the second waterfall stage 2. Yeah, this is the stream. So flowing from stage 1, this is the stage 2 of the waterfall. As you can see, it's flowing so calmly. The atmosphere is serene, so you can hear the sound of the water whilst it is falling on the rocks as well. So this is stage 2 of the waterfall with the writings boldly written on it. The water tumbles down and behind several large rocks. The water disappears and reappears much wider at the base of the rocks. No swimming or bathing here. Keep surrounding clean. So this is it. No swimming or bathing here. And you know, one thing I like about the place is that there's a bin too as well. Yeah. So we are walking towards stage 3. I learned there's also a canopy walk here. Let me see if I can also try the canopy walk as well. All right, so join us as we go on this journey. We are heading towards waterfalls stage 3, and the canopy walk is also down there. I'm sure you see the video briefly too as well. I'm really enjoying this tour. If you have not been here before, wherever you are, please just drive your car towards Kintampo and come and have a feel of nature. 3 waterfalls. You see, this stage has 2 staircases. One constructed to the main waterfalls in 1966 by TASEC. In 2017, the Ghana Tourism Authority rehabilitated the old staircase and constructed a second staircase. The stage now has 153 steps coming up and 173 steps going down. Enjoy the breathtaking of the waterfalls as you descend. Do not sit or slide on the rail. No refreshments, dining or smoking at the base of the falls. You may swim or bath at the base of the falls. Caution slippery rock surfaces. Alright, so this is the stage 3 and this is the inn if you want to go towards the canopy walk as well. Alright, there's a monument where you head out I would like you to see. So it stated that Kintampo Waterfalls Canopy Walkway, Kintampo Bono East Region. This canopy walkway was commissioned by His Excellency the President of the Republic of Ghana, Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo, on the 15th April 2019. Alright, and the price list is also here if you want to go on the canopy walk. Alright, so this is the price list. So whatever category you fall in, you just pay and do the canopy walk. Alright, bye. I'm going to walk on the canopy As you can see behind me, I am going to walk on the canopy as well. So stay put and enjoy my journey to the canopy walk. Wow, that's the third stage waterfall. As you can see, the water is falling from the rocks, and the canopy walkway too is also here. Really a nice place to be. When you are coming, wear your sneakers. Don't come with high heels and a flat shoe. Come with your sneakers. Wow, this is breathtaking. It's so nice. This mother nature at its best. I'm descending the waterfall. Sorry, my canopy walk was not successful. It was terrible. Wow, this nature at its best. This is nature at its best. And up there is the canopy walk. That's the canopy walk up there. I'm really enjoying myself. Let me take a picture. So beautiful. So inspiring, so amazing.